Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, a PhD in accounting. And let's talk about Excel today. How do we transpose data in Excel? That is not something we do every day, but when we need, how do we do it? So there are three ways to do it: with a formula, with copy and paste, and with a keyboard shortcut. So let's go to an Excel file here. So here I have some accounting data, uh, an income statement actually from a company, and I have here revenue. I want to transpose this number that is in columns, or the numbers. I want to add the numbers in cells so it's easier for me to manage, to analyze, and so on. So first, let's delete this second row here that we don't need it. So how do we do it? And I want to paste it here, transpose. So the first one, remember, the first one is with a transpose formula. So the formula is equal to transpose here. And then on a new versions of Excel, on the very old versions, it was a little bit harder, but here we want to transpose these numbers, and here we are, magic, columns and rows transposed. However, there are good and bad stuff about that. The good one, if I change a number here, instead of 701, let's go to 5701, for instance. It goes to 5701 here. I don't need to change on both tables. So that is good. Let's go back to 701. However, the bad one, if I want to change a number, then it will be bad. So here, let's Control Z here. To change a number, you need to change on your raw data. However, I don't want to change on my raw data. Even I want to delete this raw data. If I delete this one, it will delete here, but if I delete the row here, it will show me an error message. My numbers will be gone as well. I don't want it to happen. I want to keep my numbers. So all I need here is copy and paste, nothing more. So then we go to the second way, copy and paste. So let's go to copy and paste. So how do I do? Select all the numbers here, copy, just regular copy, Control C or copy, and then let's come here, for instance, go on paste, paste special, transpose. Here we are, we transpose the numbers. Here, let's make it pretty. Okay, even with the format, actually. But, good and bad stuffs. The good one, I can change the number here. It will change. I can even delete the rows here. It will keep. So, that is good. However, bad. I figured out that this number is wrong. It's not 701, it's 1701. So 1701, on the transpose formula, it changes. Here, it doesn't. It is a copy and paste. It is not, if we come here, there is a formula on the bar. Here, there is no formula anymore. It is a copy and paste. You are out of your raw data. So, good and bad. And then for almost every function here, we have a keyboard shortcut. So what is the keyboard shortcut here? If you do it often, then it's nice to use a keyboard. I like using keyboard. So the way to keyboard, Alt, H, V, T, you don't need to do it at the same time. You will not have fingers to do that. Alt V, yes, press it together, and then V, and then T. So let's do it. So let's select here. So copy, you copy the same, but instead of paste, space special, transpose, Alt H, you will see a lot of menu here. And then remember what we have. Whoa, come on, come back. Remember what we have here? Alt V, Alt H, V, T. So here, oops, Alt H, V, T. It copy transposing here. So just like the transposing on a paste space special, but with a keyboard shortcut, if you are a keyboard shortcut like I am, that is very useful. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, just leave a comment here or email me. Have a very nice day and God bless you.